This case considered the issue of the distinction between leases and licenses, and whether or not a lease was created to occupy a property even though the subjective intention of the grantor intended it to be a license only. In this case, a local council granted a license to a housing trust to use a number of properties as temporary housing for individuals in need. The housing trust provided a property for use by a man, and he began to pay a weekly amount for the use of the property. The agreement between the housing trust and the man made mention of the license between the housing trust and the council, and the existence of the license between them. The man sought to enforce that the housing trust carry out repairs on the property, but to do so he had to prove that he was a tenant. The housing trust argued that they did not have the capacity to grant a tenancy because of their agreement with the council. Furthermore, they argued that the man did not have exclusive possession because the agreement reserved the right of the housing trust to enter the premises. The central issue for the court, therefore, was whether or not the agreement between the housing trust and the man amounted to a lease or a license. The court